Hey guys, we got a 2021 IS 350, and basically what they're doing to this vehicle, it's leaving the car in full brakes. I think everybody knows that by now. And breaking in and ransacking your car or taking the airbags. And now the latest thing is, it's been going around for like a couple years already, is stealing the catalytic converters underneath the vehicles. So basically, we end up installing the shock sensor to the factory alarm, because what happens is in these cars, they do come with a factory alarm, like a lot of vehicles. Honda Civic, Honda Accords, Mercedes, Lexus, F-250 trucks, Denali's, the whole Chevy line. Basically, a lot of these vehicles come with a factory alarm system, and what's going on with them is they only work if somebody opens the door, and nobody's going to do that. What they do, they break your window and jump in, or they take the rims and tires, or work on the catalytic converters that has nothing to do with opening any of the doors. So I'm going to go ahead and bang on the first tire. The alarm's going to fire off. Okay, I'm going to arm it again. I'm going to give it 30 seconds. Because you got to wait for that light right there above the radio to right now solid. It looks like a little picture of a lock, and then once it starts flashing, the factory alarm is ready. Factory alarms have a delay. That delay is not ours. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the back rim, and then I'll do the windows. Yeah, there's a lot of theft going around for the past 4 or 5 years of it's been going around forever, but it's really gotten really bad as far as the rims and catalytic converters and airbags. I'm going to arm it again, give it like another 10-15 seconds again, and then I'll go ahead and bang on this back window, and the alarm will fire off. By the way, while we're waiting, and our numbers 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. This is Auto Alarm Specialist. We're located in Miami, but if you watch this video and you're out of state, don't worry, give us a call, and we can guide you how to get this installed as quick as possible in your vehicle. I'm going to go ahead and bang on this tire here, on this glass here. It's going to fire off. By the way, the shock sensor is fully adjustable. You can adjust the sensitivity how you want it. Right now we have it like around, like if it was a clock, we have it like around 10 o'clock, but it goes all the way up to like 8. So we don't want to make it real sensitive, because this particular customer lives on the main highway, and there can be all sorts of trucks and things going by. Vibration can set it off, but we're pretty comfortable with where we set it. So I think we have it at a good setting that it may go off maybe once or twice a month for whatever reason, but no big deal. It's going to ring for like 2.5 minutes, and that automatically resets anyway. So if you go away for vacation, it's not going to sit here and ring all week while you're gone. All factory alarms and aftermarket alarms and even house alarms, they always reset after a while. We thank you for watching this video.